Hi! Our next lesson for today is solving problems involving functions. In this lesson, you are to solve a word problems by carefully reading the problem description and converting the information into function, thus creating a mathematical model of a problem. So here is an example of a word problem. The function c of p is equal to 40p, thus represents the cost in peso of preparing p meals. Further, suppose that the production p itself is a function of time, which is in years. So given by p of x is equal to 2x. So this is implying that the production doubles every year. Another one is this one. So we have a table here wherein we have the t and the x. Okay? Which of the following equation represent this data? So we have four choices, class. A, B, C, and D. So here, our answer is letter C. Why? Because when t is equal to 0, substitute the value of 0 times 4 and then plus 10, ang sagot is 10. When t is equal to 1, so f of x, so let's say f number 4 times 1 plus 10 is equal to 14, and so on. So once na sinolve na natin yan, matatapos natin yung table up to the 30. So we have 10, 14, 18, 22, 26, 30 as our x. Next naman, we have this one. Example of a word problem. This is a bus transport fare. This is a function of d, defined as, here is our function, f of d is equal to 6 plus 2d, where d is the distance traveled in kilometer. So we have two problems. The first one is to estimate the bus fare from Pampanga to Baguio, which approximately 150 kilometers. While the letter B, how far would a passenger travel for a bus fare of 70 pesos? So let's try to solve the first one. So estimate the bus fare from Pampanga to Baguio, which approximately 150 kilometers. So using the function, f of d is equal to 6 plus 2d. So f and our d will be 150 equals to 6 plus 2 and times 150. And then simplified our answer. So 2 times 150 is 300. So if we're going to add, we will get the answer of 306. So therefore, the estimated bus fare from Pampanga to Baguio, wherein approximately 150 kilometers, is 306 pesos. Next, for letter B, how far would a passenger travel for a bus fare of 70 pesos? So, saan aabutin ang 70 pesos mo? Gaya nun sa commercial, right? Saan aabutin ang 20 pesos mo? So, this one, how far would a passenger travel for a bus fare of 70 pesos? So, here is the solution. We will use again the function f of d is equal to 6 plus 2d. So, we will substitute the value of d, which is 70, is equal to 6 plus 2. And then this one is d kasi we're looking for how far. Distance ang hinahanap natin. So, para ma-solve natin yan, we have to transpose yung 6 sa kabila. So, from positive, lilipat natin, magiging negative. So, 70 minus 6 is equal to 22d. And then, what's next? Ma-minus natin. 70 minus 6 is 64. Bring down 2d. We have to divide both terms by 2. Why? Para ma-cancelled out natin. Yan. Ma-cancelled out natin itong 2 dito. Matitira na lang is the distance or the d. So, 64 divided by 2 is 32. So, now, therefore, a passenger will travel 32 kilometer if the bus fare is 70 pesos. Okay, that's all. Thank you, guys. Hope you learned in our lesson. Thank you.